seeing what I made in Illustrator come to life in this machine is it's pretty awesome. I won't lie, I have a lot of fun with this thing.
I just sat down and would draw something and it would come to life out of the laser. And that's what I use it for, to literally just make all kinds of random things. Sometimes they're overly complicated and ridiculously complex, and other times they're just fun and an adventure. Like the little radio and like the design of the month. It's fun, it's gonna be a little adventure, and I mean, it's yet another thing that is infinitely customizable. I can see you guys taking logos and specific like titles and just doing your own flourishing work and doing all kinds of stuff. And that's what I love, is I can make something and then put the design out there, and then you guys can take it and make it yours.
It's been a life-changing event owning this machine. From weird abstract art pieces, which are my personal favorites, to collaborating with other artists and putting their work into my work. I moved on to learning how to make functional items. And that's what I'm doing today here, is working on a set of shelves. Aside from doing the artsy stuff, I learned that you can use this machine to also create functional and like everyday household items. The Glowforge laser cutter, I got my pro thanks to a friend. He literally showed me the Glowforge. He was like, hey, what could you do with this machine? This machine has unlimited potential based on the user. It does. Like, if you can imagine the different shapes, you can literally make whatever you want. And that's why I bought it. Because I could do whatever I wanted with it.